There are a few important things to understand about the lock and catch setup. Both the model and operations are contained within the material and the model editor. These materials need to be applied to our parts. The parts are contained within the hinge material schedule. So you'll see there is a lock for the doors and drawers separately so that you can easily mix and match your locks. There's also a part for catches. This is done this way so a user can easily add as many different lock and catch options as they need. To apply the locks and catches, we can apply these through different levels of the software. If we need to apply them to all of the assemblies within an entire job, we can use our job parameters and apply our catches, which could be applied to all doors or with the intent that they are paired with locks. This will automatically apply them to any left hinge door. When I apply my locks, I can either apply them to my doors and drawers, or just my doors, or just my drawers. There's also an option to modify the subfront of your drawers. This is commonly done to make some room for that lock. So there's a few different scoop options that we can apply. We can also control this through our room parameters. You'll notice that my parameters are set to default, which means they'll follow the job parameters. To modify them for just this room, we can take the drop down and modify this. At the assembly level, we'll also see the same attributes available. Again, much like our room, we can modify this for just this assembly. You'll also see that there's an added option for unique. What this does is it allows us to have part level attributes so that our doors or drawer fronts can be controlled individually. To do this, we'll need to go to one of our ortho views and we can select any one of our drawer fronts or doors, and we'll see that we get the option to apply our locks, as well as an option to modify the vertical and horizontal placement of that lock. We also have the opportunity here to rotate our lock if needed. A similar set of attributes are available if you do the same thing for our catch, where we set that to unique as well. By default, it will turn off that operation or that part, so you do need to go back and add them in as needed. All of this is controlled through a set of UCSs. These UCSs are found under Hardware, Locks, and Catches. Most of the UCSs are locked. However, my lock user variables UCS is unlocked so that you can go in and modify some important variables like the placement and the reference for our tall cabinets for how that will be placed. If you need to make some modifications here, please read all of the descriptions carefully. For our catches, we do have some public variables to control that vertical and horizontal placement.